pt.Track is a bespoke and advanced technology and tracking system designed to manage your point-of-sale campaign elements. Did you know that every year thousands of point-of-sale units are produced? But up to 30% of these are wasted. pt.Track gives you visibility of your point-of-sale activities and accountability throughout the value chain. It's designed for both procurement and marketing, and drives waste reduction through reporting and maintenance of your collateral, providing the opportunity for a significant return on your investment. pt.Track can also measure and manage sustainability initiatives by tracking the lifespan of point-of-sale collateral, the inventory of assets that can be reused, and the end-of-life and returns process. It also allows clients to immerse themselves through virtual trade visits so they can experience the store universe. pt.Track is the easy-to-use app that will revolutionize your point-of-sale campaigns. All you need is a smartphone. Download on the App Store or Google Play. pt.Track. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it.